Welcome to our session, AI on Campus, Hype to Hands-On. In this talk, we'll explore practical ways to bring artificial intelligence into higher education, cutting through the buzz and focusing on classroom-ready strategies that enhance teaching, preserve academic integrity, and prepare students for an AI-rich world. This slide reframes AI as a collaborative partner by highlighting augmentation, automation, and authenticity. Think of augmentation as boosting critical thinking, automation as freeing faculty from routine tasks, and authenticity as protecting academic values, all feeding into pedagogically sound integrations that enhance learning outcomes and empower educators. Here we redefine graduate attributes for an AI world by prioritizing prompt engineering, data ethics, and human-AI teamwork. Universities must embed these competencies so graduates can leverage AI responsibly, think critically about outputs, and enter the workforce as future-ready professionals who complement, not compete with, intelligence teams. This slide tackles the AI divide and access gaps, showing how unequal access to premium tools widens achievement gaps. The solution is to treat AI as an equalizer through licensed platforms, comprehensive training, and campus-level support that levels the playing field, especially for first-generation and under-resourced students. Our lecture roadmap lays out a 5-stage journey from decoding AI jargon to sustainable scaling. We'll demystify terms, spot high-impact use cases, design bot-resilient assessments, craft ethical policies, and pilot for scale, leaving you with an action checklist to start integrating AI into courses immediately. This slide contrasts generative and predictive AI. Generative tools create text and content to support writing and materials, while predictive systems detect patterns to flag at-risk students and improve retention. The key is matching the tool to your pedagogical goal to avoid misuse, optimize budgets, and build trust within courses. An effective prompt has 4 core parts: a clear AI role, a specific task, contextual background, and a defined output format. Instructors should use education-specific templates for rubrics, discussion prompts, and feedback, because vague prompts produce generic outputs that undermine academic rigor and learning outcomes. This slide shows how conversational agents can guide students through problem-solving with hints and scaffolding, while discipline-specific platforms deliver contextual examples and tailored feedback. Scalable oversight and instructor review keep quality in check, letting chatbots extend support without replacing human judgment or introducing errors. Converting objectives into resources is a 3-step process. Define learning goals. Use AI to draft content like podcasts or case studies, and then apply human post-editing to verify accuracy and contextual relevance. The takeaway is to keep human creativity in the loop to maintain academic integrity while saving time. This graphic highlights an AI-assisted workflow where AI drafts feedback and humans review to achieve significant time savings. The human-in-the-loop model ensures tailored guidance while data privacy and compliance safeguards protect student information, balancing efficiency with institutional responsibilities. Instead of punishing AI use, this slide proposes shifting detection toward integrity-focused nudges. Rather than solely flagging anomalies, institutions should define clear policies, offer remediation and resources, and use formative conversations to help students learn from mistakes and develop ethical practices. Pedagogy First Implementation warns against solutionism by focusing pilots on real learning gaps. Start by identifying a gap, align AI to that affordance, and execute a focused pilot. Use an alignment matrix to ensure technology supports learning objectives rather than driving them. Preserving meaningful outcomes. AI-augmented debate is presented as a classroom protocol where teams defend positions against AI-generated counterarguments, fostering critical thinking and source scrutiny. This exercise deepens analysis, improves test performance, and prepares students for professional interactions with AI by training them to question and verify automated outputs. This slide highlights AI's immediate impact on inclusivity through real-time captioning, audio descriptions, and multilingual summaries. Those accessibility tools lower barriers for students with disabilities and ESL learners, but institutions must verify vendor compliance and data safeguards to ensure accuracy and privacy. Moving beyond cookie-cutter AI warns against templates that encourage uniformity and reduce critical thinking. Instead, promote an iterative authoring process where students use AI drafts as starting points, refine content, and reflect on choices to produce authentic work that demonstrates higher-order thinking and authorship. Preserving human connection means framing AI-generated materials with personal instructor input, like short videos and anecdotes. That human context keeps trust intact, makes hybrid resources feel supportive, and reminds students that technology augments, rather than replaces the instructor's role in fostering a meaningful learning environment. The hybrid assessment model combines AI-assisted drafts with in-person defenses and handwritten justifications to maintain rigor. By splitting grades between secure explanations and AI-enabled work, instructors can acknowledge new tools while ensuring students demonstrate genuine understanding and reasoning in non-AI conditions. This slide promotes using authentic, semester-specific datasets for student projects, paired with quick anonymization protocols for privacy. Real-world data increases motivation and mirrors scientific practice, helping students develop practical analysis skills while preventing pre-generated answers or exposure of sensitive details. Structured AI teamwork contracts assign roles for AI prompting, fact-checking, and reflection, creating transparent contribution flows and traceable inputs. These contracts prevent free-riding, clarify individual accountability, and simplify grading by distinguishing individual and team performance in AI-supported group work. Semester portfolios combine AI outputs, student reflections, and revised artifacts into a curated folder that emphasizes metacognitive depth. The rubric rewards developmental progress and ethical reasoning, aligning assessment with long-term learning goals and giving students a narrative of their evolving competence. Transparency practices require students to disclose AI interactions, include relevant chat logs and short reflections, and submit artifacts that clarify process. For instructors, this yields insight into student workflows, discourages shortcuts, and provides pedagogical data that supports ongoing refinement of teaching strategies. Addressing AI bias moves from critique to critical literacy by exposing flawed generated examples, engaging students in classroom rectification, and teaching data literacy as an ethical skill. The goal is to make bias checks a core competency so learners can detect and correct biased outputs collaboratively. This slide outlines consumer AI risks like uploading student work to public chatbots and vendor vetting questions about encryption, retention, and training data. Best practices call for institutional agreements and compliance prioritization to protect student privacy, intellectual property, and regulatory obligations like GDPR and FERPA. Honor codes should define acceptable AI use per assignment type, distinguishing research support, coding assistance, and prohibited content generation without disclosure. Sample syllabus language clarifies permissible tools and expectations, while collaborative policy drafting builds buy-in and shared responsibility across campus. Micro-credentials and workshop series help scale AI-ready teaching by offering short, recognized badges that count toward promotion and comprehensive training on prompt design, ethics, and assessment redesign. Incentivized micro-credentials can grow participation and create a peer mentor cohort for sustainable support. A student-led AI mentor program empowers peers to provide discipline-specific drop-in clinics and updated resources. This model builds shared literacy, responds rapidly to evolving tools, reduces faculty burden, and compensates student mentors while fostering a community of practice around practical AI use. When comparing tools, weigh zero-cost open-source models for innovation against premium solutions that offer convenience and support. Institutional chatbots may lower barriers and automate tasks, but strategic premium choices require careful cost-benefit analysis to avoid vendor lock-in and ensure alignment with pedagogy. Measuring AI integration success relies on three metrics: adoption rates, student satisfaction, and performance outcomes. An impact dashboard visualizes correlations between AI use and learning gains, offering evidence for continued investment and guiding iterative course design based on real data. Autonomous AI agents could schedule office hours, draft administrative documents, and personalize learning pathways, creating efficiency and new roles on campus. The slide stresses proactive policy development to harness benefits while preserving human decision-making, staffing autonomy, and oversight over agent actions. Our call to action asks educators to choose and embed one transparent AI activity, collect student feedback, share results at a teaching showcase, and foster accountability through starter kits and peer networks. These small, iterative steps turn insights into immediate campus innovation and sustainable practice.